My friends, my PEP empowered students of Dharamsee Desai University. It's my great pleasure talking to you on this last day. I'm so happy to see you all empowered. I remember day one when you had also a doubt, and I had also a doubt whether I will be in position to empower you or not. Normally there is a belief that after MCOM, no career. After MCOM, you can become an accountant. And most of you must be hunting for a government job. Same applies for BBA. BBA, everybody says yes, we have to do an MBA. There is no scope of getting a job after BBA. And many times people compare BBA with BCom. Okay. And finally, there is nobody to speak something about these students who have done BBA with great hopes. They come here with great hopes that they can do a job. But then finally they come to know they are unemployable. But I am so happy to speak about you. And through you, I want to talk to the media at large. I want to talk to the institute at large who are undertaking this BBA program or an MCOM program and without any sort of an empowerment program. I am so happy that you have been empowered. The result speaks. Result says that many of you, all those out of 11 students of this batch who appeared for an interview at TCS, 8 of them have got it. I am so happy that in Nirma also MCOM student, 4 of the MCOM students have got it. So once upon a time you never dreamt of it. You dreamt of these companies, but then how to get it? Me, I am so happy that I have been instrument in empowering you. And message to all other students who are doing an MCOM, who are doing a BBA, don't believe in somebody's other words. Believe in yourself. By doing PEP, you believe in yourself. The principle of PEP is empower yourself, believe yourself, and market yourself. That is the philosophy. I am so happy that you have done it. My request to all of you is be an ambassador of PEP. This is not a multi-level marketing, believe me. People think that the moment you propagate PEP to somebody else, so they feel that you must be getting some commission from child instructor. There is no commission. You will get commission from the Almighty God. You will get commission from the society to whom you are going to empower. You will get commission from the parents of the brother or a sister to whom you are conveying that join PEP, empower yourself. You will get commission, and that commission will last long. So friends, naturally through this video, I am talking to the heads of the institute of other colleges, to the parents of your students, whether you are an engineer or an MBA or a BBA, whatever. Empower yourself so that you become employable. There is tremendous job opportunity available. Employability is not a problem in India. A small city like Nadia, students of 40 students have become empowered. Believe me, these are going to be ambassador of PEP, and you are going to bring laurels to your family. Okay, so friends, good luck to all of you. Happy empowerment and happy employability. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Patel Esha, and I am currently an assistant professor in Dharamsee Desai Institute of Commerce. So today I would like to talk about my 3 years of association with Shailesh sir. I met him 3 years back when I was in the first year of MCOM, and at that time, since a long time, I had a desire to speak in public speaking, but I didn't get any opportunity where I would speak and there would be someone who would be assessing my performance and giving me guidelines regarding whatever improvements that I need to do. And this golden opportunity came to me when I was in the first year of MCOM. That made an strong underpinning for me for further forthcoming PEP sessions. And last year I attended PEP sessions in brief, I would like to talk about PEP, that what is PEP. So basically PEP is about changing a person's attitude, not like for 1 hour or so, but in the daily routine, like every day how a person should live, what kind of positive attitude the person should adopt in order to grow continuously in their career. Even the techniques and the psychological aspect that sir teaches also are useful for a person's personal relationships also. And regarding my personal experience, I would like to share one thing. Like last year, when it was my first time when I was attending PEP sessions. So when first sir started teaching about how to make resumes, one of the magical revelations according to me was sir also told to include all the kind of activities that a person has done in their resume. Like apart from college activities or extracurricular activities, whatever a person is able to do out of their subjects. So that kind of came to me as every person has some inner talent that a person does not disclose that in resume, which makes every person stand out from each other. Like every person is unique, just like every other. So I have also recommended many of my friends to join PEP sessions, and I would also further recommend that if a person wants to change like their daily routine or their mental attitude, how to develop a positive attitude and maintain it continuously. Maintaining is the key word here, because this is the second time that I am attending PEP sessions, and even I have attended it last year, but this time whatever things I learned, they were quite different from what I had learned last. So one of the key characteristics of sir's PEP sessions is every session is different from the last one. And at the end, I would like to thank Shailesh sir for grooming me for my life and coming into my life and teaching me many important aspects.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Beena Dunani, pursuing MCOM from Dharam Singh Desai University. Talking about PEP, first I will like to talk about what I was before PEP sessions. So when, I remember when I was in graduation, first year, so we also had the Viva. So our sir for commercial communication asked me personally, are you ready for what do you think, are you ready for the interview now? I was like, what else do I need for interview? Confidence? I have it now. Yes, I am ready, sir. So he told me, no, you are not at all ready, because I wasn't in the formal dress and I didn't knew what formal dress means for the interview. So I was like, no, it's okay, sir, I am ready. And he told me, you have read the newspaper about today? I was like, no, I don't know anything about it. He didn't give me the detailed lecture like what shall I require for this. But then I didn't took it so seriously. And I was in the third year, and the TCS was for campus recruitment. So I was the only one selected from the TJ Patel Commerce College, and I wasn't in this formal dress yet. So I was that time also thinking, why did they selected me, because I wasn't, and I was literally shaking there. So now after attending PEP section, I think I have known what formal dress means, what salary breakup is required and how it should be. And after selecting in TCS also, I didn't accepted the job because the salary was too low at that time. But after that, now in recent 6 months, I have applied for many jobs and I wasn't selected for 2-3. I got the mail for coming for the interview, but I didn't win. And today also I was called for an interview in Ahmedabad, but as I have missed the sessions previously in PEP, I am regretting it a lot. So I didn't wanted to miss this session. So I asked them to reschedule the interview for Monday. So if they will, I haven't received the mail back. If I get the chance, I will rock the interview. And I am literally thankful to Nimesh Joshi sir and Shailesh Thakkar sir for giving us this knowledge and grooming us with this great attitude towards the life and towards the corporate world. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Shahil Malik. I am pursuing BBA from Dharam Singh Desai University. I am making this video about PEP, Placement Empowerment Program. In this session, we are taught how to market yourself for a corporate world. Here, Shailesh sir taught me many things about corporate world. Before joining PEP, I was not that confident or I was having lack of communication skill. But after joining PEP, he taught me how to market yourself in corporate world, and after his guidance, I I achieved TCS to be an ambassador of PEP and being a propagate the PEP session to all over India and to also my juniors. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Pratna Shah. I am currently pursuing BBA from Dharmasi Desai University. Talking about PEP, before joining PEP, I was really timid. I didn't even know how to speak in front of everyone. I was really a bit less confident. But after joining PEP, Shailesh sir has groomed me really quite well. He trained me about how to write a resume, visual interaction, how to express ourselves, how to etiquettes, clothing, and everything, which made me achieve 2 job opportunities from 2 multinational companies, which is a really big thing after I have completing only just a BBA. So it was a really great experience. I would really like to thank my dean, Dr. Nimesh Joshi and Shailesh sir and the management team that has made Shailesh sir come here and teach us and groom us. Thank you.
So good afternoon all of you. My name is Pritesh Pitharia. I am pursuing MCOM at Dharamsi Desai University. Today I am talking about PEP sessions. PEP in the sense placement enhancing program. And this program taken by Shailesh Thakkar sir. I would like to thank my dean sir and Shailesh Thakkar sir who gave me this opportunity to join the PEP program. And today I become one employee because I got the job in a Nirma. Shailesh sir teach me how to make a resume, how to change your attitude, how to learn, how to create your positive in a learning way. PEP is not just a way of be a professional, but it is the skill to develop yourself. Okay, so the Shailesh sir gave me this opportunity because Shailesh sir is one of the CEO of the company. So it's my pleasure to be here and join the PEP session, and I would like to change myself and go beyond my limits. Okay, so I would like to thank Shailesh Thakkar sir and management of the DDU. Thank you.
Good afternoon, namaste. Hello everyone, I am Nishi Patel pursuing Bachelor of Business Administration from Dharamsi Desai University. Before PEP means Placement Empowerment Program, we don't know how to enter into the corporate world. Mr. Shailesh Thakkar sir taught us that how we can give interview, how we can face interview in corporate world, what is corporate world, and they taught us how we can go to GD, then visual resume writing, and many more things sir has taught. First of all, formal dress. By wearing formal dress, we look different from masses. So this golden opportunity our Nimesh sir has given to meet Shailesh Thakkar sir for PEP. Thank you.